Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to fix quiet alarm on iPhone. Here are the steps to fix a quiet alarm on iPhone. First, check alarm volume. Go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics. Increase the ringtone and alerts volume slider. Turn off change with buttons. In Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics. Disable change with buttons. This ensures the alarm volume stays consistent even if you lower media volume. Test the alarm tone. Open the clock app. Go to Alarm. Tap on Alarm to edit. On sound, choose a loud alarm sound. Avoid none or soft tones. Avoid using songs as alarms. Music tracks may play at a lower volume. Switch to a built-in loud tone like radar. Check silent mode. Make sure the ring or silent switch on the left side of your iPhone is not set to silent. Disable attention aware features. Go to Settings, Face ID and Attention. Turn off attention aware features. It prevents iPhone from lowering alarm volume when you look at it. Clean the speakers. Dust or dirt may reduce sound. Gently clean the speaker grills with a soft, dry brush. Remove Bluetooth devices. If connected to AirPods or a Bluetooth speaker, alarms may play there instead of the iPhone speaker. Turn off Bluetooth in Settings or Control Center. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install the latest iOS update to fix sound bugs. Restart iPhone. Power off and restart your iPhone to refresh sound functions. Check Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode. Go to Settings, Focus. Make sure no focus mode is silencing or lowering alarm sounds. Reset all settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset. Then reset all settings. This resets sound and alarm settings, but no data. Contact Apple support. If the alarm is still too quiet, it may be a hardware or system issue. Reach out to Apple support for repair or diagnostics. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.